Then we're going to be testing this brand new microwave. There's the warning signs. It's do not operate when it's empty. Here it is. Here's the model number. There's a lot of sensors. As you can see, no button. This is the dial one, so go ahead and try it. It is an inverter, so that's and there's a quick minute here. So if I press this, shows a minute. I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a minute and go. There it is. It's on. This is new. It says inverter over here. My old microwave did not have that because I replaced it. I replaced it, I think, last week. So there has a keep on feature that I'm actually gonna try. I'm gonna try this feature today. It's pretty loud than the old one, so let's see how it is. Okay, it's for a minute did well. So now I'm gonna shut it. Let's try this. Let's give it 30. Okay, this is different because when you do that, there's a power. Let's try the power setting. So let's set it for 10. Let's do 10. Decrease the power. Let's do 50% for 5 seconds. Let's actually do 10. Whoa! That's new. So with the power setting, it made the sound higher. Let's see. Okay, getting there. Now I'm gonna do something super cool. So I'm gonna do power, and I'm gonna decrease the power all to 3. Let's do it for another 10. Nice. Let's try full blast for, let's say, 20 seconds. So yeah, the sound is different when you run with the power. So let's do full power and half power to see the difference. So it's full power. Set for 15, and we're gonna hit power again. This is the second power. Oh, power 3. We can change it to half power for 10. And then we're gonna hit power again. Oh, only 3 power. Let's go. Full power. So watch this goes down. This is pretty cool. This feature's nice. The sound was a little longer. Here it is. Half power. Nice. Let's see how it did. Okay, it's done now. But I like this feature. This microwave is so cool. It also has these other features that you can do. Let's say I want to sense or reheat this. Okay, so it doesn't say the time on. Okay, so let's power level. Let's do power level. Decrease it all the way to power bond. This is gonna be super. This is gonna be funny. See how the sound is funny? Alright, this is it. The Panasonic NNSD664W. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is the power setting makes it different. So yeah. I'm gonna have to do it. I'll have to do this again. So you can watch me do it again for another 20 seconds with full power. Let's do 25. Go. Full power is good on this microwave. There, all done. So thank you guys and have a great rest of your day. There we go.